Hello guys and welcome to Howto Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide text messages on your iPhone. So let's start. First, open the text message. And the first way I'm going to show you is to straight up delete the message. Now select the conversation and then long press on the message. Now you have to tap on more and the message will be selected. Now tap on delete all on top left corner and then tap on delete conversation and your text messages will be deleted. There are other ways to hide your messages too. Now let me show you another way to hide your message. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Notification. And go to Messages. Now scroll down and tap on Show Previews. And select Never. And your iPhone will never show an message preview. There are some other ways to hide your messages too. Go to the App Store and search for Messages password. These type of apps help you to encrypt or lock your Messages app. And that's how you can hide messages on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.